How to boost processor speed on Windows 10 or 11. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to make your PC faster or boost your CPU speed. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your control panel. And once you get here, click on View By and make sure you select either large or small icons. And here you want to find Power Options. Just click on it. And here you have different options for power plans. So just choose this option. So once you click on Change Plan Settings, something like this will appear. Now all you have to do is click on Change Advanced Power Settings. So this little window will pop up right here. Now what you want to do is make sure that this is, if you have high performance mode, make sure that it is set to high performance, or even balanced is alright. So once you do this, so here if you scroll down you will see processor power management. Click right here, and here on maximum processor state, click right here, and on the minimum processor state make sure that it is set to 0. So if it's not, you can just type in 0 right here and then click on apply and finally OK. So this is the first thing that you can do to boost up your PC performance. Now the other thing that you can do is open up your task manager. Right click on your taskbar and you will see the option for task manager. Now you just want to head over to the startup apps from the left tab, and once you get here you just want to disable all of these unnecessary startup apps which will cause your PC to be slow. So you can just try to disable all of these unnecessary startup apps for your PC to run smoothly. So that is it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.